Hello and welcome to Web. Today I'm going to show you around Web and how you could be able to use its cool features. But first off, let's get used to the design. On the top you have Web, Bookmarks, History, View, Tools, and Help. Under the Web you'll find the About section, the ability to check for updates, new tabs, remove a tab, new window, print, open a page, reset, and close. Under the bookmarks, you have your saved bookmarks. Under the history, you have your live feedback of histories. Under the view, you could be able to toggle the full screen or view a source code of a web page. Under the tools, you could be able to add a page to your bookmarks or head over to preferences and change some settings. Under the help, you could be able to watch online tutorials such as this one, or you could be able to ask Webzy any question available from the list. Below the menu bar, you have your back button, your forward button, your home page, a favicon, and your URL bar. And all the way to the end, you have your refresh. Let's navigate to a sample web page. All you have to do is type in any web page you'd like, such so it goes onto google.ca. And as you can see, the browsing speeds on this version of Web is really fast. And of course, all this speed depends on your internet connection. But even though if you still have a slow internet connection, Web will still be able to connect through fast speeds. So say you're on a page and you'd like to search for a specific keyword or a specific website. Well, Web has a built-in search engine which can be able to support up to 3 engines. So you have Yahoo, you have Google, and of course you have Bing. And for this version of Web, I've set it to Bing. So if I want to search a keyword such as Facebook, all I have to do is type it in on the URL bar and hit on enter, and it should navigate me to the Bing search bar and should show me all the results of Facebook. So Web is really easy to use. If you have anything to search, all you have to do is search it on the URL box, and if you're heading over to a specific website such as twitter.com, it should automatically navigate you to Twitter. And of course over here, basically Web shows you the favicon of the website so you know which website you're in. Now, Web also has a built-in security feature called Secure Me, but you won't be able to notice it until you navigate to what we call a broken website. Now, once you navigate to a broken website, this entire text field will show false and it'll tell you some more instructions what you could do. And of course, you'll get a page asking if you'd like to continue or navigate your way back to your homepage and ignore this website. And of course, your favicon will turn into an X mark, showing you that this website is not safe. Now, what you could also do in Web is create a new tab. To create a new tab, you could press Ctrl T, or you could go ahead and click on New Tab onto the Web menu. And once you're there, it should open up your home page on a new tab. And of course, each separate page has its own favicon and own controls. So say I would like to view a source code of a specific web page. All you have to do is under View, is click on Source Code, and Web will show you the source code of this web page. Now, as you can see, Bing's homepage is it's quite an advanced page. So if you head over to a regular HTML web page, it shall show you the source code. Another cool feature in Web is to be able to toggle full screen mode, so you could be able to view your content much better. So once you toggle full screen mode, as you can see, it fills up the entire page, and you can be able to access the tabs on the top and the same menu, but the navigation on the top has been taken off, and of course the taskbar at the bottom. Say you're at google.com or google.ca or actually on a specific website, and you wanted to create this website and add it to your bookmarks. All you have to do is under Tools is click on Bookmarks, or you can go ahead and press Ctrl D, and that should automatically be added under your Bookmarks menu. As you can see, before I had Bing, now I have Google. If I head over to Twitter, I can be able to add the bookmarks, and it will show also show under my history menu. You can be able to clear your history by going to preferences. Once you're in preferences, you could be able to change your first name, your last name, your homepage, your desired search engine. You could be able to listen to Vebzy and say what it has to say, or of course you could clear your history or remove a bookmark. So it's really easy to clear history. All you have to do is click on clear history and it'll give you a message saying clear. And as you can see, the history is clear. Now, once you first open Veb, you will be gotten to a setup system. And that setup system actually also takes information from other web browsers that you've been using and imports them over. So I was currently using Internet Explorer and Google Chrome from before. And as you can see, if I type in some website, it should actually show up all the websites taken from all these other web browsers. So this is a really cool feature that actually brings all web pages into one single web browser. Of course, you could open a web page using Veb, and you could create your own web page. And I have a web page here that was created for another product. So once we open it, as you can see, it opens up the file under the actual web page. And this is a simple HTML web page. Simple text, regular text, and a picture that was created in one of our products called Inkpad. And also what you could do with Veb is check for updates. So under the Veb, you could click on check for updates, and it should warn you if you have the latest version or if there's a new update. And of course here, this is the latest release, so it tells you, well, it seems you have the latest version of Veb, try again later. And basically, Vebzy in the background checks for updates every time you launch Veb, but it doesn't actually warn you if you have the latest version. So it only warns you if there's a new version available for you to download, and it will ask you if you want to download it. Of course, if you want to reset everything back to default, so you can head over to reset, click on reset, and it should delete everything and technically relaunch the application, and it should set you up back into the setup guide. You could also have a new window with Veb, and as you can see, I opened up a new window, and it of course takes you to your homepage. So in my preferences of Veb, I have Bing as my homepage. So if I head over to my homepage and click on the actual home button, it takes me of course to Bing, since that is my homepage. Of course, in Veb you could be able to print a web page. All you have to do is click on print, choose your printer, how many pages you'd like, and click on print. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on how to use Veb. There's links in the description below if you'd like to download this version. And thanks for stopping by. If you have any more questions, you could head over to akero.tk and view some more support. Or you could of course head over to help and ask Vebzy how to do some stuff like how to clear your history, and it should tell you in a vocal voice how to actually do the command. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. We hope you enjoy Veb, and once again, thanks for watching.